Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to start the door handle, see if we can get the cables all, how do I put this, made up and get the door handle working. I won't be able to film a lot of the process because there'll be a lot of fiddling about and seeing if I can get it, but once I've got it I'll explain what I've done, where I've gone with it. What I'm using is throttle cable, which I've got here. It'll be a throttle cable, it's quite long, so we've got plenty to mess around with. Obviously comes with a sleeve, so we can put it in there, bend it around wherever we need to go without ruining the cable, and also comes with a lot of accessories and parts, which I'm hoping to use most of them, or some of them at least, to make sure the cable like wraps around properly so you can pull down on the catch. That's really about it. I'm going to try and mock something up. Once I've mocked it up I'll show you it on the floor, and then hopefully we can fit it all in and get it working. So the next time you see me, it'll be once I'm explaining what I've done and where I've gone with it. We'll see you shortly. So all my components are made now. So what I've done is heated these off the original Range Rover door handle locks, and I've just put a little bit of glue on there just to make sure it doesn't move around. I've threaded the cable through. This is literally just using throttle body cable. I've then also chopped up a bracket off the Range Rover and bent it so it's into an L shape so it lines up. I've also cut it to make it fit. I've cut all the excess wiring off of this. This is just ready to put the cover on, drop this in now. You're not going to be able to see much after this, but I'm going to put it all in now. So I've got all this to put in. I'm going to put it all in, and then I'll show you the door handle work, and I'll try and show you the way I've routed it and stuff in there after. So hopefully you're liking the video so far. It's only really a couple of components, it was just a little bit fiddly trying to work out how much cable I would need and how to get it to actually run in the door so it wouldn't catch the window when the window come up and down. I'm going to fit it all now, and then once I've done that I'll come back and I'll show you the outside door handle working, and then I'm going to work on the electrics, because I've got to remember, I can't remember which pins it was now. It was something like, I think it was this yellow and brown one and this blue one just in here, or black, sorry. So I've got to figure that out again to get the handle to work on the lock and unlock, and then I've got to put a relay in if I remember rightly as well. I'll be back in a second after I've fitted it all, and I'll show you the door handle working. So I've just plugged them in and the pins up here, the wiring. The cabling comes all the way down, loops up, back up. I've lost it now, if I'm honest. One of these. Just put that on the end of the cable like you do with all like your brake cables and throttle cables and stuff. So the door handle obviously works. Also on the button, that's in, that's out. I hope you've enjoyed this little episode. I'm just going to continue fitting the door up, which I don't think you really need to see. So if you all enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up, it really helps out. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'm always putting photos up, so is Lewis, and we also have another project now, so I hope you go over and follow that one. It's another Vauxhall, which I believe has probably already come out before this video. So I'm sure Lewis will be happy. Please please all go like and follow that one as well. So we'll see you in the next one. Take care.